Are you tired of Google Calendar feeling too basic? Learn how to supercharge it with powerful add-ons in under 3 minutes. First, we'll access the Add-On Marketplace. Then I'll show you how to find, install, and set up the perfect extension. Start by clicking the Settings gear icon. Then, from the menu, choose Get Add-Ons. Now you can browse the gallery or search for a specific add-on. Once you've found one, click on it to see its details. Go ahead and click Install to add it to your calendar. Then, click Continue. Finally, click Done, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.